This is going to be a real quick video showing you what I made with the Patio Party paper collection from Jen Hadfield. I must have picked this up from an American Crafts haul. I don't know, I saw the flamingos and I thought it would be fun. And it was fun. I just wasn't inspired by it. Sometimes 6x6 collections have really small features, and I should have looked at this one a little closer. It did have small features, like the cut apart is 1.5 inches by 2 inches. So I made these notebooks. Now, I've said earlier in the year I wasn't going to just make these notebooks out of all my stash, but folks, I didn't know what else to do with it. And I'm going to give them, I have people I'm going to give them to. I'll show you one real quick, but they're pretty much the same, and it's just using all of the paper. There was hardly anything left. There were these little cards, there's some other ones, and little teeny cut aparts. I also raided my stash bin and had some tags, and just, if I could, I added them to the paper. So there are, it's the index card notebooks. I don't have a video on my channel, but I'm pretty sure, see, look at this. Look at how small that is. Carolina and Heather from Covered by Grace Creations both have nice tutorials showing you how to do this. So check them out. So just little side pockets. I think this one was more like Carolina style. And the best thing I can say is I smashed my stash. I used up all of the paper. I didn't have anything left, even teeny little scraps I used. I'm trying to see where. And I used other things that were in my stash, some little pieces of ribbon, some of these cinch binding rings that were just 2s and 3s that I put together. So there is that. So just, it's one way. It's not a work of art, but not everything is going to be a work of art. But I wanted to show you that is some way you can use your paper stash and make some things that would be good little gifts to give to people. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.